Today we talk about how can you disable comment filters on your Clapper app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down, click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Then you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on privacy and safety here. So then just switch into open with you. It's going to show for you like this here. You go down, come here to comment filters, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here comment filters disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.